So here is what you will need. Okay, you need your handy dandy sewing machine. For those of you who can sew, sewing is a great trait to have. This right here, these were, two dresses that I had, and we're going to use that, and I'm going to show you. I have this big roll of lace that I'm going to use. You need your pins, of course, your scissors, the heat bond, this little roll of heat bond. This is going to be for your quick hem, okay? And I have the other, these are sheets of heat bond because we're going to take and we're going to cut the face out, which I've done one, so I'll be showing you that in a second. And you have your 1 hour pattern. This takes literally 1 hour to do, like I said, for those of you who can sew. And this is what I did to the other dress. So here it is. This is one I cut out. See, isn't that face cute? That is so cute. That is so cute. And I took and cut it out over the sheet of heat bond and put it on top of there. See, I've ironed a part of it on there already. I have to iron the other part. So, after you iron that, all you have to do is just, peel it off after I completed this, and we're going to attach it to the back of there. So, if you would like to see, stay tuned. I'm not going to really sew the, the long vest on camera because, of course, it's an hour pattern, but, that would be too long. So, you want to see the outcome of it, stay tuned, and I will be back to show you how to revamp your old clothes, okay? Because, you don't just want to be throwing away money and carrying on. So, stay tuned. So, here we go. Look at that, all finished. Like I said, it was just an hour, but I wasn't going to sew on camera for an hour. Okay, this is the completed look. Look how beautiful that is. That lace is just gorgeous. So let's get like a little closer look of the trim. Look at that trim. That trim is beautiful. It is just beautiful. I'm going to get a look at the back because this is where the lady is. Like, oh, bam. Look at that. How cute is that? Because, like I said, you really don't want to be throwing away your money. I clean out my closet maybe every 2 years versus giving it to the Goodwill. I usually take, a lot of my clothes, summer clothes or suits or what have you, and I donate it to, the homeless shelter or the women's shelter where, someone will have something, to put on. The ladies at the homeless, shelter or at the women's shelter, the suits, so they have something to go out and do an interview in or what have you. But it's, a great idea. I hope I've inspired some of you to, turn something old into something new. But this, she is just beautiful right there. So, thank you for watching. For those of you who can sew, get to turn your clothes into something else because, of course, you don't want to just be wasting your money. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, leave any comments, and happy DIY. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Beautiful. Beautiful. And don't mind that other arm. I ran out of trim. I have to run out and get some more. So I can just look all cute and popping for the summer before it's over. Bye.